When we received the stations, we checked that everything was in the boxes, and we also made sure that we were familiar with the building process. After that, we took some time to pack everything on the boat. So once the boat was fully loaded, we were ready to leave for the first installation site. Installing a weather station is quite easy, so we just need to drill some holes for the foundations. And once the holes are drilled, the only thing that's remaining to do is like mounting the mast. So in the end, it took us one working day to do everything for one single weather station. It includes unloading the boat, transporting everything on site, and building the weather station. So the building process is quite fast, actually.